Hello students, today I am going to continue with the same topic, that is application of integral, chapter number 8 and question number 6. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis and the line x is equal to root 3y and x square plus y square is equal to 4. Find the area of the region lying in the first quadrant and by x-axis, and x is equal to root 3y and the circle. Correct? Now you know that x is equal to root 3y, the line passes through the center. The line passes through the center. This line x is equal to root 3y, and this is the equation of circle. This is the equation of circle, equation of circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Hk coordinate of the center. Hk coordinate of the center. You know that if the coordinate of the center lies on the origin, then the equation become x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the equation of circle whose coordinate of the center lies on the origin. And you know that when you compare with the standard form, that the r is 2 here, radius is 2 here, radius 2. Radius 2, it means the coordinate of this point 2, 0. And you know that the area lies between x-axis, curve and line. It means this area. This area you have to find. But you know that the shaded portion is attached with the circle as well as line. Then divide it into two parts. Draw the perpendicular AM. This is B and this is O. Because the shaded portion is touched with two functions, that is the curve and the line. It means divide that portion. Then area of the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion, you know that area AOM, area AOM plus area AMBA, AOM plus AMBA. Clear? Now firstly find the coordinate of A. You can find the coordinate of A using the equation number 1 and 2 both, because the point A is the intersection of circle and line, because you know that the point A is the intersection of circle and line. So with the help of both equation you can find the coordinate of A. Find the coordinate of A. Put the value of x here. Put the value of x here. And you know that root 3y whole square plus y square is equal to 4. Clear? And this is 3y square plus y square is equal to 4. It means 4y square is equal to 4. Therefore y square is equal to plus minus 1. But you know that point A lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant both coordinates are positive. Therefore y is equal to 1 here. But I put the value of y in equation number 1. Therefore x is equal to root 3. Therefore the coordinate of A, root 3 comma 1. Coordinate of A, root 3 comma 1. Now can you tell me the coordinate of M? Coordinate of M, that is root 3 comma 0. Because M lies on x-axis, therefore the coordinate root comma root 3 comma 0. Now can you tell me the limit of the shaded portion? You know that integration limit of the shaded portion AOM 0 to M left to right 0 to root 3, and you know that the shaded portion touches the line, and from the line what is the value of y? Put the value of y, that is x dx 1 by root 3 plus. Now can you tell me the limit of the shaded portion AMBA from M to B, at the point M the coordinate x coordinate is root 3 and here x coordinate is 2, therefore the limit is root 3 to 2. If the shaded portion is attached with x-axis, then you can take the limit of x coordinate. If the shaded portion touches with y-axis, then you can take the limit of y coordinate. Clear? Now you know that this portion is attached with a circle, and from the equation of circle, what is the value of y? Value of y, you know, 4 minus f square. Correct? Now integrate. You know that integrate of x, that is x square by 2 limit 0 to root 3 and 1 by root 3 outside plus, and the integration of root a square minus x square you know very well, that is x by 2 root 4 minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and the limit root 3 to 2. Now you can put the value, upper limit minus lower limit, root 3 whole square, that is 3, it means 3 by 2 root 3. When you put 0, the result is 0, no need to write 0, just put here 2. When you put here 2 square 4 minus 4 0, the complete becomes 0. Sine inverse 2 by 2, 1 sine inverse 1 you know, that is pi by 2 minus, put here root 3 by 2, root 3 square, that is 3, 4 minus 3 1, that is root 3 by 2, and the minus, that is 2 sine inverse root 3 by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit, clear? And 3 by root 3 you know very well, root 3 by 2 plus pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2, and sine inverse root 3 by 2, that is sine pi by 3, so simple, that is pi by 3. You know that this will cancel, therefore pi minus 2 pi by 3, that is pi by 3, that is pi by 3. This is the solution of this question. You can check again. Just put the value of root 3 square 3, that is 3 by 2. It means 3 root 3 by 2. And when you put in the second part, in place of x, firstly put 2. When you put here 2, then 4 minus 4 is 0. And sine inverse 1 you know pi by 2 into pi by 2 minus lower limit, when you put here root 3 by 2, this becomes 1 minus twice sine inverse root 3 by 2. Okay, this is the solution of this question. The question is very, very important. In this exercise, there are two questions which are most important. Question number 6 and 10.
Next, question number 7. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle.
7. X square plus y square is equal to a square, cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 3. You know that this is the equation of circle, and this is x axis, y axis. X is equal to a by root 3 in this portion, x is equal to a by root 2. It means the line parallel to y axis. X is equal to a means the line parallel to y axis. It means you have to find this area. Very simple. The naming of this A, B, M. Area of shaded portion, that is twice area AMBA. You know that area is symmetrical about x-axis. Now the limit you know, a by root 2 to a. You know that the coordinate of point B, that is a comma 0, because radius is a. And from the equation of circle, what is the value of E? A square minus x square dx. Further you can solve. Just integrate, then put the value. Okay. Next, question number 8. You know that the area between x is equal to y square, x is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Then find the value of e. This is right hand parabola, you know very well. Right hand parabola, x is equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this line divided into two equal parts. It means area of this part is equal to area of this part. O, A, B, C, D. The line x is equal to a divides the complete part into two equal parts. This complete is equal to this. Therefore, area OABO is equal to area ABCDE. As the limit of this portion 0 to a. And what is the value of y from here? Root x dx. And the limit for this portion, that is a to 4 root x dx. Here, for the simple question, integration of x root x, you know, x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, then put the value. Now question number 9. Y is equal to x square, y is equal to mod x. Simple question. Y is equal to x square mean upward parabola, upward, and this mode, the critical point of this is 0, so you can draw the, you want to find this portion, you want to find the area of this portion. A, draw the perpendicular. You know that this area lies between two functions, and that is line and curve, and both portion is symmetrical about y-axis. Find the area of this, then the double of this, that is the answer. And you know that limit of this portion, y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. Equation of this line, y is equal to x. Equation of this line, y is equal to minus x. So here x square is equal to x. On solving, x square minus x is equal to 0. X common. 0, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 0, then put here, then y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Therefore, coordinate you can say 1, 1. There are two coordinates here, 0, 0 and 1, 1. Therefore, required area twice area between this function, limit 0 to 1. If the area lies between two functions, then upper limit minus lower limit. Upper unit that line x, and lower is parabola. What is the value of y here? X square dx. Further you can solve simple integration, then put the value. Next question number 10, very important question. That is, find the area of the region bounded by x is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. Clear? Find the area between parabola and line. Very important question. This is first equation, this is second. You know that upward parabola, you know. And the equation of this line, you can make the table. x0, then y 1 by 2, y0, then minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 here, and 0, minus half here. Draw the line. This is 1. Therefore, you want to find the area of this portion. And this portion lies between two, this portion lies between two functions, Find, firstly find the coordinate of A and B. Solving 1 and 2, put the value of 4y here, x is equal to x square minus 2, therefore x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Split the middle term, product 2 and difference 1, that is 2 and 1. The value of x is 2 and the value of x is minus 1. When you put here 2, value of x is 2, 2 square 4, that is y is equal to 1. And when you put here 1, that 1 by 4. Therefore, there are two coordinates, 2, 1 and minus 1, 1 by 4. This is the coordinate of B and this is the coordinate of A, because you know that B lies in the first quadrant, and A lies in the second quadrant. Therefore, the coordinate of A minus 1 to 1 by 4, and here the coordinate 2 to 1. So therefore, area limit x coordinate from this to this, left to right. What is the coordinate of x? Minus 1 to 2. And this shaded portion lies between two functions. Therefore, upper minus lower. Upper is line. And what is the value of y from here? What is the value of y? That is x plus 2 by 4. And here parabola, what is the value of y? That is x square by 4 dx. 1 by 4 common. Minus 1 to 2. Therefore, x plus 2 minus x square dx. Further you can solve simple integration, then upper limit minus lower limit. Clear? Check again, very important question. Clear? Clear? This is your homework. Then revise chapter number 8, exercise 8.1. Clear? Your homework, revise exercise 8.1 completely, because very easy exercise. And the next exercise 8.2, that is related from the CBSE syllabus. Okay, revise example also. Thank you.